H&H Welding here. We're located in Langley, BC, Canada, and we're just a small business here doing a lot of structural work for BC Hydro, and yeah, we're happy to meet up with Metfab. And our main type of work we do here is pull line hardware and distribution for hydro and transmission, electrical distribution, and we require press brake to form and stamp a lot of our products here. In our shop, we currently have a cutoff saw, a couple iron workers, stamping press brake, and shear by Metfab. Our main customer here is BC Hydro. We do a lot of work for them. They require everything from structural to electrical boxes in aluminum, and again, shearing and forming are two major components of producing some of these products. The shearing aspect in the shop is probably about 40% of the work, and the press brake would be almost 80 to 90% of the products where we are working. Those two particular machines. We don't subcontract out any of the forming. We would subcontract out any plate burning on plasma, since we don't have that machine, but yeah, we subcontract out the plate burning. We've always had a shear and press brake in the shop. We've been in business for close to 45 years now, and a shear has been a staple equipment in the shop. It's one of those things we need for the products we're doing here. So I guess we like to primarily do stuff in the shop, products that are custom made or custom ordered, or which sets us apart from maybe other manufacturers, and we like to do specialty items, one-off items, so that we can stay away from other competitors by doing that. So we were looking at the Derma and AccuPress prior to meeting Martin at Metfab, and we were shopping around for a new press brake because our old manual machine was just getting too slow, not enough tonnage, and we need to further our advances in the company with the products we're making. I met Martin through Praxair, and he came up with a proposal to make a machine up for us that's going to fit our needs. We found the right size of machine that was the right tonnage we needed, and I guess what set the machine apart was the footprint, and since we're a small shop, we had a small space to work with, so we needed a smaller footprint machine but larger tonnage, and Metfab was able to put that together for us, right? So, and after meeting Martin and the way he presents himself with the company, it's just outstanding, and we had a good relationship right from the get-go. Yeah, finding the machine he put a good package price together for pricing and delivery. The machine came, and a couple of guys came in and set everything up. We did trials for 1 week and training for a week, and the machine was outstanding. We just couldn't ask for anything more. A lot of products we do, we have to metal stamp them with characters, and we presented this challenge to Martin, and a few weeks went by, and they came up with a design to make up stamping tooling to adapt to the press brake, and he made the two stamping dies, and they work awesome, right? So we do all our stamping and bending, and it just speeds up the whole process on each product, and they were able to do that for us. So that's one of and some more advantages was the customer service and the timely efforts. If you have a question or something happens on the machine, a quick email over to Metfab, and they're answering our problems within hours to resolve any issues. It's done by email or photos, so the service is really good. I can't speak highly enough of Martin and Metfab. But after having machines now running in here for a couple of years, we just don't know how we could have done our production without these machines. New shear in here for 1 year now, and it's been really good. About the press brake and the way we can set up multiple setups on the machine, it's like a dream come true. We can maybe do 3 or 4 different processes with stamping, 3 or 4 different types of bends on each product, and we only have to handle that piece once rather than 4 or 5 times during the old way. And it's been a really good machine for us.